Wall your dogs, wall him, come we come for him.
Bye. Bye. Bye, people that I don't know.
Bye, girl. Get your ass.
That was. Bye, people I don't know.
I told you got slick ass now.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, girl.
So I love, bye. I'm real. She said no, man. No. No, we can't be able to come to school, man. This is our man in our spirits. She does say that Bear is a mean dad. This is how it is. And we're going to talk about it like a baby in the car now. You're always the mean dad. Let go for me. I don't want you to sing to me now. You should have sing to baby a while ago. Boy, she's precious. She is precious. Every day I'm a blood clot life. Every day. 3 year old, 4 year old, 5 year old, 6 year old, she's 7. She's still precious. Yeah. So you're lucky.
I was joking.
I know why you're not joke.
I don't care.
I don't laugh.
I don't care.
I'm show you.
I don't care.
Baby. I don't know why you put on your sweater for. But God, I don't know. The fuck are you? I wish I did leave it in the bomber cloth or so I can wind up with it. Fucking fit them blow up on you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that is why I am the mother here and you are the father here. Because you always mean.
You want me to wet you up?
Wet up me? You know, do it for a morning and yesterday morning, 3 morning past straight. I don't want no more with. Huh? But look here. I don't want no cocky for you. Don't soothe my attention with no good argument. We're talking about you being a mean father. Yeah? And you always going to say, when time the people are big and me, I going to be them. And me, I going to be the same one in there when I go blood clot kill people, pitney. And then something there. You are going to, you don't want nobody on me. Yeah. You know that. It's bad if I get my battle worse. This is the mean father and I am the mother. I can't do this. I mean, I sing for? Or you sing me
No,
off?
you just told me you don't want me to, so don't listen to me.
Right.
Don't touch me either.
Why?
No, I just could not touch you, and you ain't want me to sing to you.
You did
Leave
touch
me
me.
alone.
And the energy they will reach? I make a finger you give me? I saw the song go. I saw the song go. I make a finger up. I don't know what. Can you get fresh from what do you know? Babes, now you're so married. Eh? Alright, you're so married? Look at God. We're wedding day. It did late. We're blood clot married. Good married. Don't bride yourself. Next year, when I will have the blood clot big wedding on the beach, I don't want nobody running. Nobody come laugh through the ear about quarters. What?
I mean, no.
You know, the wedding.
Windy. I don't.
Babe, but it's gonna be no in the sun now. Your ear now gonna fuck up. All you care about is your fucking edges.
I'm supposed to. You got a shortcut. What the fuck? You ain't got to worry about the shit I have to worry about.
Fine.
You ain't gonna be worried about your little curls flying in the wind. I have to worry
Whoa,
about.
so what my curls them have to do with this now? What my curls them do? My curls them don't do nothing from bumper clot morning. And them not fly neither because my bumper clot is stagnant like bounty killer. It not growing a fucking further.
Which is why you ain't worried about the wind.
Me know, oh, wow, low blow much. But, you know what? I am not going to finish this conversation with you because I see where you're going with it. I'm not going down the road there with your blood clot. What is for breakfast? That is for me a blood clot pray. Me don't talk about that.
Well, please, make sure breakfast is in my belly before 10 or something because I have to go. Shut the fuck up. You see my indicator on, sir.
You want me first some dumpling with tin mackerel?
Yes, please.
And some is so aggressive because you were wrong a while ago for disrespect my emotions. Because you know, say, you know, I'm finished with this shit. Because right now, babes now come to one. She sing me off again. Me done this conversation. Is
So tell the people why you didn't do the show last night. 'Cause I'm pretty sure
yes, to blood clot. When I did up on the show last night, that time I did a course and not carry on.
You told me you didn't do it.
Huh?
You see how you fucking lied to me?
What?
You told me you
No, not that show. The one with the house. Weird. The live what I do yesterday about footer. At the end of the blood clot live, I did have to stop. I say, BM's cut off the live. When I did, who did it on the live? And you when me say, shut off the live. BM shut the blood. You know, say if you start the laughing, I'm not going to tell the blood clot story though. If you start the blood clot laughing, I'm not tell the story. Look here, if nobody did anybody on the live, the story not talk. I'm sorry. Somebody did it on the live for us. You never did on the live, that's a fucking lie. I show you why hear what happened. I'm tell my wife to lock off the live. Who did it on the live and be fucking honest? Miss who talk about killer. Who did it on the live one time? I said, Babes, lock off the live when me I carry on with me look at dirty self. You was present. I bet most of you was because well, I don't know as me live, I'm not ready for I don't know me out there check up the place. Anyway. I said, when I get up, I run off to blood clot. I look down because I look at weed, I look a bit. Mama God, when my blood clot look on my foot, be a blood clot water. When me look under my bumper clot foot, babes, why not go in the camera? I don't know why you put on the child like again.
Because then you was talking shit to me earlier.
Oh, that's true. I talk shit here, wind up every window I put a child like Papa. Girl, you know, see a cruel. Girl, you are cruel, girl, you know. You're a very cruel individual, I must say. Anyway, I'm not done the shit. Anything you want, you do. Be a water under my bumper clad foot, damn. I say, what the fuck this? So when me get on, I say, people lock off the live. Lock off the live. Bumper clad. When me look, me never put a turkey neck in the sink.
Because if you fuck my shit up, it's gonna be a problem.
Yeah, and me love Sue. Trust me.
Nigga, I don't even
lie, big no blood glad you blink with. Me see you blink with, no sir. Glad you never lick with a good
one. You did that ahead of time.
That's yeah. Evil. BM said to me, say, be a white dog, you with that blood glad to make sure lucky shit.
You lucky it wasn't raining. But I would wear up your whole fucking time.
What? Me bumper class, I 10 bumper class story, I wanna go on there, say.
Alright, go.
So, put the turkey in the sink, but it is well blood clot frozen. So I turn on the hot water upon it, feet melt out fast. Me did them build 2 spliff, then me go live on a trace and I carry on with my blood clot self. When me look now, the water start, blood clot take over the whole house, the whole of my living room flood out, my kitchen flood out. Me have to move settee when me go in the blood clot kitchen, the turkey neck out. I want to turkey neck them in the bag too, you know, goodie, in the blood clot bag. So through the bag go still tie, can run the hot water upon the blood clot bag because I never want to run the water upon the sauce on me. You see me? So when it melt now, the blood clot turkey neck clogged down in a sink with the blood clot bag. One of the turkey neck and the whole place will start blood clot flood out. When your blood clot look on the settee and my fridge every blood clot where me a fear get the blood clot broom, me a sweep, I say I love people business.
Exactly.
Yeah, BM say you see we're live though. Leave the cussing alone. BM say stop the fucking cussing. Me say I was so fucking disgusted. You understand? BM have my career yard. My disgust. Because me I say look there the whole of my bumper clot house. Me all know my mat there it's not dry. You understand me? I hear it again.
And I fucked it up too. But I didn't do the water part. That's for the chef.
It hurt me. Me say, when me see the whole house, you want to see water coming in my room. Me see put somebody in my room. I want the blood clot. Me say, if that never go in my room with all full big thick rock the babes, me know me the ball. I would have cried. Because And me did that serious, but babes foot them up on me and my foot them that ground.
And I
So,
can't hear that one splash.
no, what? Because the sink full and does I want to fall in. I come down. Want to slide fall into blood clot like Somerset Falls. When I hear that. So what the blood clot this?
I just knew it was gonna happen one of these days.
Babes, don't fucking talk about one of these
This shit
days.
is gonna happen.
And baby, me say, I me did a cuss footer. Me a trace one foot of blood clot. And me a say, watch ya. Me have to see, you see it? Leave people business alone. Leave people business alone. Me say because if me dead I mind my own business in my house, it won't flood out. A good blood clotting of me in your house.
Imagine if it was
if I did what if I did somebody
Airbnb
or something or for a catch you did a catch. Did I show you do? Eh? My God. You see why you have your own place? God them fucking accidents that will happen. And then people don't forgive me like that. When you flood out my house, girl, you have to come up because me done like you're a girl already. We're not lesbian, we're not crosses, and I never sit down and bring on my yard. What's your mind never made up? That my mind made up. Almost blood clots, GPS in my house.
I'm gonna cuss somebody after they watch. Because these bitches on these fucking roads.
Me know one time I start driving Lexus in a bit. When you start driving Lexus mostly. Because it was a hunger to store, I'm going to drive a Lexus. Who's the one? Yeah? I'll let me get license just because. Whoa. Yeah, me show me blood clot, man. Got this serious rascal. Baby. I'm look upon some I get very fucking tight for me, I'm just fat. Why so me no fat, me look good. Hello good. Me, I found this day I leave people business alone. I would that every time I look at a girl, listen, me should look for me. Man, you come turn lesbian girl and don't look for me to be a first tree for climb. No. You left on top? Me not left on no. If place was not again. See me mat there? Oh, that must be there. Yeah, buddy. Because I saw the thing set. Me have to move everything flood out. The flooding came to this side. Even me go to slippers them, blood clot get flood out. And you know what? Me never know so I go to the rub rag, you know. Me pussy clot. If you can then rub so a bumbo clot, me don't know.
Yeah, the real shit hurt.
Yeah, man. Even my wife's slippers, BS probably we have to break them in. Like how me have to break in my clot.
Breaking them shoes is not for walking.
Them
distance.
oh,
they're not for
them
not
a pose and shows them.
To pose and
Me
sit down,
blood
look,
clot.
bench and leave and go
And
straight
then
down.
me go have one can. Yes, sir. Me have a can there, so you know, I have a good size one. I have another can there, so. So, me bumbo clot, when me go, you see, when you look up in the top or up in this, you know, when serial number there, up in this, kind of like a one rubber material, like, see, rubber up my bumbo clot. But me, I say, I'm a size 9. Oh, but my wife want a size, fear size, to but it grab him, hey, babes, them that pose are shoes. Them that is.
Tight on you now. That was never that tight.
They were never. I shrink.
That didn't shrink.
There's nothing look up to me.
Just look at it. Let me show you.
There's me. I have to do something about this weird thing.
Don't pull it down. Don't put it down now.
Yes. I'm more shrinking than I fucking will wash.
Look at this shit. When I first seen you in these, they didn't fit like this.
They never fit under at all. They used to don't have my body now. They can't go down there. If me ever... well, let me show you which one me used to wear it when you meet me. Alright. I am pretty then. I do not wear my pants certain region. You see me? But no, babe, shut up.
Look at the hips just busting out.
Yeah, I know. If me ever do it, me have to stop it. Babe, if you don't stop it,
do the
shit, you have to, alright. You have to wiggle. No, fuck that. What? I have to do the blood clot. You know?
Could be. Exactly.
You know?
Turn around, let me see. It's tight to walk.
Yeah, come here, come pull it. Come here, pull it. Drop that. It's a crazy.
What you want me to do?
Hold that side there, man.
What you trying to do? Take it off?
Yes. Shit.
Oh, God.
I shrink, man. Cause you know the machine them are foreign. When you put in your clothes, them you have to put none shrink and them things.
You fucking liar.
If you don't put it on don't shrink, it not gonna shrink. You see?
What washing machine you use?
Babes, you know say I shrink, you shrink. Look on the panty them, pan ling jars them.
What?
Oh, them
I
tight.
get buff and I get fat.
Pussy I get buff, ass I get fat. That's this year blood clot excuse.
Yes.
You are a man, you know. That is all you is. Oh shit, baby, yo. You know I'm quiz myself body.
Quiz.
I quiz myself.
Good life, exactly. Married life. That's
So,
what...
babes. Me have to go guys store.
Now you want a fucking gym membership. You need to sit the fuck down somewhere.
Yeah, babes. I have to go guys see and gym, babe. God, boy. Babes, me have all one little bit of belly.
Even your arm, though. I said that when I seen your back.
Yeah.
When I seen this right here.
Thick. Could man? Me bumbo.
No, put the arms down though. It's this far. But I like the chest. I don't want you to
What
lose
you have?
this.
Me have all blood clot fat. This no right. This look like one pussy. No, that look like one fat pussy. You know. Babes.
Maybe it's the bra.
I must squeeze this. I squeeze on from my top. Me just fat. Yeah. Can you remember saying that tell me to cool up and eating my every minute?
No, but then he said, shit, you was skinny. He don't like the skinny, so I don't like the skinny either.
I'm not going to live blood clot with me.
No, because then they going to get, like, muscle.
I'm going to get one tire
No.
because I need to eat the cauliflower and the broccoli them now.
You only weigh 155.
Babes, look at me.
And you taller than me, so shit.
Oh, Jesus. I don't know, man.
Okay, just put arm trainers on. Like, they have the waist trainer.
Babes.
They have the ones for the sleeve. You can put it on just to lose the arm. Because I don't want you to lose
What's it? We
it.
have blood clot. How about this?
It's connected to the internet mostly.
What's it? Go harm fat. Flap, no. What, papi? What's it that? Big and sour.
You can't talk about the six no more.
But yeah, you're bumbo clap, right on my teeth. Me good in a body right now. Me solid, me not big, you know.
Exactly. And then that's all I needed to say to get you back into high spirits.
Yeah, man. Fat way. You mad man, the boy. I want to give the shoulder them out there, man. All me do put on meat because all I was skin and bones. You understand me? Hey, yo, don't class me. Please. Feel me?
Smoke more weed. Shit.
That no smoke like my wife tell you, man. At least. Idiot. A 14 gram, man. Believe me, man. 14, 15
I'm
blood
not going to
gram.
let you smoke that much.
Babes, come on.
In a day.
Come on, you don't see how much me pay for weed in a day time. I wish me smoke off that and call back and 10 little more. You remember when me malnourished and you all out look like the time me a suffer? You know? Suffer and that. Look how that look like man. Collarbone them. No. One can't see me collarbone them. Fuck you. When I remember all the years to talk about some look like we picnic them in Africa. No, I'm solid. Solid as a rock.
The same one that you were supposed to have yesterday, but you ain't called in the people
Oh,
that
the calling show. And I best time for we all do it in a base like a baby in a day. You know?
Yeah.
We are gonna do it after your client.
Tina coming, she alright. It's Tina. It's
A good one. Alright. Good one, one piece of this. No, I wonder how good one feel about this.
Oh, yeah, because you know,
good body
Tina,
love them things there. Good body we say nothing is wrong with that.
No, I don't think she'll do that to no nigga.
Oh,
no.
She a blood clot. Jamaican, you have a problem with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, but if this is the calling show, because the boy that New York, in a party, they go like him a top man and sit and get a fuck you and batty with dildo. What would you feel about this? Any boy will make a girl push her finger or penetrate in body wall with a tie, a fish that. A fish that. Big fish that. Big bumbo class sprat. You see, pre? Everybody has say, oh man, G-spot there at them body wall. Well, me not find that. You see, pre? Wish woman in them right mind want to get up and find man G-spot. You hear that? Yeah, that man go play in a shit for find boy G-spot. Yeah, that a fish that. What I'm telling you, a boy that make man fucking. You can't tell me nothing. Nobody boy can. From once you blood clot, two that the boy the lid up on the belly and ice up him back, man a heart him. No boy.
So why go to a female, let a female do?
First
why not
of
just
all,
continue to
me
let
not care. Man
crazy.
G-spot there and then cocky. You see, pray? You see what I beat on a pussy? I want to see that white substance that come out of him hood. Yeah, him reached him climax. Yeah.
He want the other climax.
Yes, which one buckler climax? Yes, relax yourself. Relax yourself.
He want the other one because, you know, they say it's a different feeling. It's a different, like, you know, it's a different
Yes,
nut.
man G-spot up on them cocky head.
Babe, no, you need to, when you study the male body.
Any boy do that, a batty boy. Any boy do this.
And when you study anatomy and everything, like you, but they have I'm just saying. I'm not saying that it's okay.
Yeah. Oh, dear man. No, boy. What me say? Boy, penetration upon cocky head. You see when that beat against the walls, a woman vagina, bang.
Maybe he want to hear it.
You see me I deal with juice, spray out. You see, pray, them batty boy have to tell you when man a fuck them in them batty wall and still out of
how can she do it though? Yeah. I can't do that.
Hold on. You see that boy right now? Hey. One time you open a batty wall out and hoodie still a come. The boy just batty boy. Straight up.
So how the ass get wet then?
Ass can't get wet. A shit water that mama. Batty have no wet more than shit water, boo. A pussy alone have a pussy and cocky alone have sweet water.
Let me get my phone.
I want the man jump in your blood clot head back here, man. I want to hear. Cocky have sweet juice. Pussy have sweet water or come out like pre-cum. Man have the little pre-cum before they come.
But you see how that canal is connected?
No canal no connect to no man cocky. Canal for shit. No canal no connect to no hood.
But I'm saying, okay, you know, basically, if I stick my finger in your ass, right, and I put, if it go further, you know, it could connect to your vagina. I'm just saying. I'm not saying. I'm just hypothetically.
Hypothetically. Pushing at somebody else, but yo, let me tell you. You see, Batty, and people go out there, go make them feel like Batty have to include in a fuck.
Some people like that type of pleasure.
They have them the pleasure there. Where you ring out the wall of the linen in your Batty wall for?
Some people like that pleasure. Just like how some bitches ring out their pussy, ain't got no walls.
Because pussy will ring out. Batty wall
they feel like they got another hole.
Yeah, you know. Here what people use and start with this batty thing. Let me show you. You know like when we are shit, and you know say you will wash shit and you go shit, you know what boy when you let it go sweet you fuck. That the boy
especially when you been holding, that's what I'm saying. Man, that's, you know when
that don't get
when
me off.
Shit feel nice. That's you different.
It don't get me off. That can't make me come. Me I tell you say
of course, but when the shit feel nice, it feel when you been rolling it.
That can't make me nut. That cannot make me nut. You just well want shit and you shit and
because you don't like them type of things. You don't like that. But for somebody that do.
Shit, I feel release the excrement out of your body where it not needed. Why? That's the I gonna give you satisfaction, yes, to let out shit.
Alright, baby.
You see me? Once a man allow a woman to finger in particles. Him want batty boy, man. I want batty boy this. What kind of question you have, good as? No batty boy, no girl can tell me say yes, boy. Me the finger my man in a batty wall and not. If you finger your man in a batty wall, check him. A batty boy that. Fish.
For real. Because there's no way that she could not know that he's. I mean, if anybody bring that type of talk to you from jump, but she did it. She did it more than one time. She can't be that comfortable, so she okay with it. Yo,
one thing me I try to tell you, dog. You see right I know, man for be man, bro, God. You see certain things. From you see a man do it, him a batty boy, big man thing. Don't make him blood clot try go round your thing, bro, God. What?
I'm sorry.
Gone, him gone,
not
man.
That big, no,
Pussy gone, man. Him gone. Batty boy that, man. You see me I deal with? Big batty boy that. You see
and
me?
He's big too. He look buff and strong.
Bro, me a show nothing. Only did know. So with every action come a reaction. Why you think they make pussy if you take fucking? Because if you take fucking, you know if you take fucking in your body wall, you so can hold up no shit. The line in your body wall. It all gone.
That's where they bleed. Yeah. For no reason. They shit on themselves for no reason.
Yeah, on the shit on themselves for no reason. And them look at thing that because body wall make you stay tight for whole shit. It a go shame you road. So what that you as a woman now I go say boy.
Yeah, women get fucked in the ass too. Yeah. So but that's what I'm saying. It's a big contradiction.
No, another contradiction that neither him a body boy see him way. If a boy fuck a woman body him worse than a body man. How you feel if a girl pussy and go to a body slam? Yeah, idiot man.
Some lesbians do that too.
Lesbians do what?
Yes, they do, babe.
Fuck what? Fuck what? Body?
Yeah. If they may like it, they do it.
If they mate like her, fucking her body, the one never wire.
But you can't say nothing. That's what other people like. You can't say nothing about what other people like.
Wrong bang.
That's for them, not you.
Bang. My body will still hold shit to this day. From the court of my mother till now, my body will hold shit to see you. No way at all. Nobody's supposed to play with your rear end. You understand me?
When people have babies, they shit.
What? Yeah, because you see pressure we are going through. Why you think what that woman have to do that shit up themselves? It's the pressure that you know. A pressure them are going through.
Pressure bust pipe.
Pressure bust pipe. And you gonna make somebody willfully bust your pipe. You idiot. Oi. Batty man can't think fish it. Them have to know say by 5 o'clock I go ready for shit. I'm gonna sit down on the toilet from 4 o'clock. Cause them now hold no shit. So you as a woman that talk about me is freaky. Him love when me finger him in a rare. Babes go for that phone and me start the call. You see, Brie? You see this? This more the whole I wanna for call in and tell me what I wanna pray about it. You see me? Most of them boy you wanna talk about say if you I go feel comfortable for push one tie in a year man body hole. Yeah, you're sick.
Yeah, like a female that will actually do that. You feel me?
That's a wrong bang. No lesbian.
She did that shit.
Why you think me not kick Batty company and Sodomite company? Me no want to hear for them thoughts. You see, Brie? Me no want to hear nothing what them are going with. You see, Brie? Me just go on with what me are going with, right? You see me, I do me a thump and just a chill. Me no go rear end. Me no do none of them blood class sitting there. You see me, I do the most me do a name out some pussy and a one pussy me and yam and a my wife pussy. You see, Brie? Me no want to hear none of them. The boy girl put on strap on and a fuck at that girl in a body hole. Them they sitting there wrong bang. Anybody talk, anybody move, anybody strips, nobody move. Huh? Shem, go and go flick up and check up in your suck with mama. How lesbian and Batman in a one sentence? So much time I tell you to tell us I'm in a LGBT. Eh? Cause show me one next.
But you know, people gonna say
you,
they feel like.
You see what time me talk? Me Adam's a blal move. You see, bro? You see one time, when you see one other butch girl attack, she not have none move. You see, bro? Me no know no bumbleclot LGBT community big suckwood people. Me never fuck batty yet. Me and no batty boy can have no conversation. Me never shit up no shit and nobody never shit me up yet. Me and no batty boy can have no conversation. Me and no LGBT people no go no bumbleclot way. You never see me a blood clot go over there yet? Them a feed them thing that a feed them blood clot thing. Me and my own thing. Them pussy clot put me over there. You ever hear me a shit up now yet? My body will still blood clot whole shit to this day.
Okay, but this ain't turning into a distance segment. Leave them people alone. Don't turn it into no distance segment.
You see, pre, so hear the pre now. Once you have your man and him ask you for these unscrupulous thing, the boy gone. I fish that. You see, pre, I want batty boy that. You see me, a money want in a hole. You see, pre, but me want to know that already, man. No sodomite can't par with me and no batty boy no par with me. Everybody know that. No batty boy, no sodomite. You see, pre?
What are you looking at?
No, what my dog I say, yo, dog, I really think I know some me alone. Me, dog, I want to hear. No,
alright, but come on. Please, God, listen to me. Stop
yeah,
that shit.
delete that one then put the one that's supposed to go on there.
What the?
Yeah, put that one there. You see me? Alright.